Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides and the author of Twitter in 30 Minutes. And one thing I've discovered since I've been writing this book, it's currently in its third edition, is Twitter has gotten to be a nastier and nastier place as time has gone on. And there's lots of episodes of people being harassed or even stalked on Twitter. Here's two things you need to do to hide your location information if you want to better protect your privacy a little bit. So this is my Twitter account for In 30 Minutes Guides. The first thing you need to do is click on Edit Profile from your profile view, and then scroll down. It says location, Boston area. So one thing I'm going to do right now is just change it to USA. Okay, that's too generic, and I think that's a helpful thing to have. So then click Save. Now, that will not change another fact about your tweets. When you tweet out, information is shared in that tweet about where you are. And Twitter uses this for various purposes, but if you want to be really careful that your location information on your recent tweets is not shared, one thing you can do is you can go to More, Settings and Support, Settings and Privacy, Privacy and Safety, and then you select your tweets. You'll see it says add location information to your tweets. Select that, and you can see that the checkbox is currently on. I'm going to deselect that, and then I'm going to select remove all location information attached to your tweets. So this will also take care of any old tweets you have that have the location information appended to it. So it says location labels you've been added to your tweets will no longer be visible on twitter.com, Twitter for iOS, and Twitter for Android. These updates may take some time to go into effect. So click delete. So that information about that's attached to each one of my tweets in the past, it'll be removed. And the good thing about this is I don't have to lock my account or protect my account. My business can still keep on tweeting about the things I like to tweet about, but there's no information about where I might be located, either in the profile or on the tweets themselves. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. And also, if you go to in30minutes.com, you can see many of the guides that we have for all kinds of mildly complex topics. All of the authors are experts, and I think it's a pretty good series, and I hope that you'll agree as well. Thank you so much for watching.